Hey everyone, I'm Carl with CenturionPro. In our last video, we covered the unboxing assembly of our CenturionPro original trimmer model. If you need help assembling your original model trimmer, click on the link above or follow the link in the description below. Today we're going to take a look at a fully assembled original trimmer, who it's best suited for, its key components, and electrical requirements. Let's get to it. The CenturionPro original trimmer is the one that started it all. It's perfect for medium-sized operations and continues to prove itself time and time again. Composed of anodized aluminum and stainless steel, this machine is as rugged as it is powerful. All of our machines go through a rigorous quality control inspection before they leave our shop and get shipped to the customers. This trimming system, once fully unboxed and assembled, will be ready to run your cannabis or hemp. Mechanically speaking, think of your trimming system as two parts. You have your hopper and your trimmer itself as the first part, and then your second part is the blower and the bag system. All CenturionPro trimming machines come with an industry-leading hopper in terms of size and dimensions. This allows you to run more product more consistently. Just load your product into the hopper and feed it manually by hand into the machine. The trimmer itself runs on a 1/4 horsepower motor and has electrical requirements of 7 amp on 110 volt, 3.5 amp on 220 volt. You can see our control panel here involving a single on-off switch. The beauty of CenturionPro machines is their simplicity. One switch makes the magic happen. At CenturionPro, we use a dual-purpose hybrid tumbler. We spent significant time developing this tumbler for optimal use on both wet and dry product. When trimming, your finished trim product will roll its way out the outfeed side of the tumbler, so you'll want to make sure that you have a food-grade plastic bin there to catch it. Next comes the leaf collector suction system. The blower is the heart of our suction system. For our original model trimmer, we use a 3 horsepower blower. It has electrical requirements of 15 amp on 220 volt, regardless of the North American or international model. To operate the blower, use the on and off buttons. You'll notice that it comes with a built-in surge protector to help keep you from tripping your breakers. Now, I want to talk about one of my favorite features of our machines, the diverter valve. Unique to CenturionPro machines, the diverter valve allows you to control the amount of suction flowing through your trimming system. In turn, this allows you to control how tight your trim is on the finished product. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about the triple bag Kief collection system. This is a truly cool and unique feature of CenturionPro machines that allows you to collect your trim, your Kief, and your really fine Kief into 3 separate bags. This makes for zero wastage of your product and optimizes profits for your operation. Finally, I want to talk about the electrical installation of your trimming system. It's important to bring in a certified electrician to make sure that your electrical is configured as per your manual. You'll notice that the blower requires 15 amp on 220 volt. Also, when using extension cords, never use anything longer than 25 feet. We just did an overview of the CenturionPro original trimmer. Make sure you visit our website and register your warranty within 30 days of purchase. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your process and make the most of your trimmer purchase. In our next video, we're going to take a look at the preparation and organization of your product to create an optimal trimming workflow, so stay tuned. If you still have any questions or issues related to your original trimmer that we haven't covered in these videos, please email us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Thank you for watching and a happy harvest.